A lot of millionaires are made. A lot of people want to wait till everything is up. But remember during the pandemic, it's a lot of people who got successful during the pandemic. So even though it's the worst of times, it seems like it's the worst with the stock market. It seems like it's the worst with investing in certain things. It's really the time that you can build wealth, you guys. And I'm learning from my mentors. Um, I'm learning from all these opportunities. But entrepreneurship is not for the weak. I say it. You get what you put in, you guys, and you can make money online. It's some people making again 6 and 7 figures right from home. Killing it. Killing it. Ladies, men are making money online. And I share with you reels. Reels, you can make money on reels with Facebook. Now they even got it on Instagram, I see. They have other things available for you to make money online. I'm gonna be discussing a few things in this video that you heard me share with you before. Also, affiliate marketing. Before I get started with sharing other things that you heard me share before, I will share